Good morning, students. Welcome back to our social studies lecture. So, today we are going to learn chapter 5, that is landforms of the earth. We have studied that our planet Earth is made up of land and water. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. Some places have tall mountains and hills with valleys, while some places have almost flat plains. Some places are deserts, and then we have islands in the seas and oceans of the earth. So we call them physical features of India or landforms of India. So, physical division, India can be divided into following physical division. So, there are 6 physical features of India. Number 1, the northern mountains. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the Thar desert or the Great Indian Desert. Number 4, the southern plateaus. Number 5, the coastal plains. And number 6 is the islands. So look at this map. In this map, the blue color shows the Himalaya range. The green color shows northern plains. The yellow part shown as Indian desert. The brown color shows the Deccan Plateau. And here is a coastal plains or coastal lines. And the down part, this side, the west side and the east side is a island. So look at here some physical features of India. Students, look at the first physical features of India, that is northern mountains. That includes the Himalayas. The Himalaya mountain range or the longest and the highest mountain range in the world. Okay, children. And the world's highest peak is located here. It's called Mount Everest. Next is, second one is northern plains. These are, below the mountain lies the largest and the most fertile plain land, commonly known as the Great Plains or the Indo-Gangetic Plain. The region is fed by the 3 important rivers of India, that is Gangas, Brahmaputras and Indus. Next is the Great Indian Desert. The sandy desert region of India is known as the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. It lies to the northwestern part of India. Okay. Now next is plateau. So, the peninsular plateau is also called the Deccan Plateau. It covers the southern part of India and it lies to the south part of the northern plains and extended till Kanyakumari, the southmost tip of peninsular India. And this is in rectangular shape. Okay, children. Now next is coastal plains. Coastal plains occupy the land between the western and eastern Ghats. India has a beautiful coastlines on both its eastern and western sides. Okay, the narrow strip of plains that are found along the east and west coast of India are called the eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains. Next is an islands. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all the sides. Look at here, children. This land surrounded by water on all the sides. There are 2 groups of islands in India. The one is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands are located in Arabian Sea. I hope you understood about the physical features of India. Thank you.